Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech MX Master 3 wireless and Bluetooth mouse. This is the standard version, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so as I mentioned before, this is the standard version of the Logitech MX Master 3. There's also a MX Master 3 made for Mac, which also still works on Windows and all that. It's just a slightly different color, and it also doesn't include the little wireless USB adapter. But other than that, it's almost the same. Alright, so we'll go around the box quickly here. So on the front, we've got the mouse itself, and it says MX Master 3 at the top, the Master Series by Logitech. And in the top right, it has mag speed, ultra fast scrolling. So that's the scroll wheel they put into this, and I'll have a little look at that in a moment when we actually get the mouse out of the box. On the left side, it just says MX Master 3. On the top, it has a little bit of information. It says master every project with a series of products that revolutionize your process and get you focused in your flow. And it says it works with Windows, Mac, and Linux. On the right side, it just has some Bluetooth information and what's in the box. On the top, there's nothing. And on the bottom, it's just some serial numbers. So now we'll get straight into the box here. So what we need to do, I've got my unboxing knife here. We'll just cut a little slot into that there. And then we can lift open the top. Like so. Now we can pull out this little black box here, put the box to the side, and then it says MX Logitech. So now we can pull out this little pull tab here and then lift it up. And then here we go, we've got the mouse itself with the little wireless adapter. So we'll take out the mouse here, and I'll have a closer look at this in a moment, but here is the mouse itself. And then in the box as well, we get the little wireless adapter, like that. It says Logi on the bottom. It's just USB-A. Unfortunately, not USB-C just yet. And then in the bottom here, we've just got this little other box here, which says mxsetup.logi.com. And this just has some documentation here. I'll get that all out. Still more to go. We got a little quick start guide here. We've got some documentation. And then we've got a little USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the mouse, which charges via USB-C. And that's all we get in the box here. So now let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. So you've got your left click and right click. We'll just do a little sound test here. All right. And then you've got this mag speed scroll wheel, which actually feels really nice. Now, it doesn't really work while it's turned off, so I can't really demonstrate it, but it does feel quite nice, that new mag speed. You've also got a little center button here, which is programmable. And then you've got your horizontal scroll wheel, as you can see there. A little indicator light, and then two buttons here, which are also programmable. Now, this is really quite a nice design. It feels like it fits really nicely in my hand. And then on the bottom, you've just got some setup information. And then underneath that, you've got your easy switch button and also an on-off switch. So this is a really nice premium mouse. It is on the more premium side, and it is quite expensive, but it might end up being worth it in the end. So I'll do a bit of a test of this over the next couple of weeks, and let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a more in-depth review of this when I've used it over a couple of weeks or months to see how it goes, so I can let you know if it's worth buying and whether you should pick one up yourself. It's a really good deal as well if you can get it on sale, because I know full retail prices is a little bit pricey. I personally got this one on sale as well, so that's why I decided to pick one up to see how it goes. And this will be replacing my current Logitech wireless mouse, which is just quite a basic model. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful and gave you a good insight as to what the unboxing experience is like of the Logitech MX Master 3. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.